Hello everyone, today is another day of making pancake. So these are the ingredients that I am going to use. 1 cup of flour, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, brown sugar, 1 egg. I will use 1 teaspoon of calamine baking powder, and 1/2 cup of this Nestle creamy yogurt, plain yogurt, and 1/2 cup of fresh milk. For the apple pancake, we need apple. I will use half of this apple and I am going to shred it. Okay, so first we will mix the dry ingredients. So this is 1 cup of flour. I sieve it already. One teaspoon of calamine baking powder. One tablespoon of sugar. A pinch of salt. 2 pinch. And I am going to mix it first before we add the liquid ingredients. Okay, now I will add 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, I think that's enough. And 1/2 cup of fresh milk. Now, I will cut the apple into half first. Remove what's in the middle. In order to taste the apple, you have to use this part of the shredder. For me, I use this part because I like it. But if I want to taste the apple, I use this part, okay? Alright.
You can come here.
Alright, so this is the half of the apple that I shred. Let's try to reverse it now. Again, vice versa.
When it's stuck here.
Wow!
Mama, you're cooking my pancake?
Yes.
Wow, I love it.